Good morning, everyone. It's James in Japan. I'm making breakfast. Check it out. I have sliced pork, and I am cooking it up. I'll tell you my seasoning. I put the pork in a small bowl. I added shio kosho, which is salt and pepper. I added some Worcestershire sauce. I put several drops in it. And that's it. Sometimes I add sliced onions and garlic powder, but I don't have them. And I add cayenne pepper to add some kick. I wanted to give it fusion. You want to cook it thoroughly. Once it starts to brown, that's when you know it's caramelized. Smells fantastic. I've got toast. That looks done. One other ingredient I sometimes use is soy sauce, but this time I didn't add it. Now try it out. Fantastic. You guys got to try this. Next, I'm going to make some amazing scrambled eggs. You're going to need eggs, of course, margarine or butter, milk, and salt and pepper. That's it. It's going to be amazing. Now it's time to beat the eggs. Beat it! Never mind. This is what it's supposed to look like. Now I'm going to add some margarine. I'm going to use about a tablespoon. It's up to you. It's already salted, so you don't need to add too much salt. Adding a little bit of salt and pepper, shio kosho, and a little bit of Japanese milk. I'm going to beat everything together. There's some clumps of butter, but don't worry about that. It'll melt in the frying pan with oil. Nice and hot. Add some oil. Wait for the oil to heat up. Then I'm going to add this mixture. It's going to be amazing. Keep the heat on medium. You don't want to burn your eggs. Oh yeah, it's ready. Here goes the mixture. Beautiful. The mixture is off yellow because of the milk and butter. This frying pan is a little bit small for this mixture. I need to cook up the mixture before I can move this around. It's beginning to cook up. I had to increase the heat a bit. I'll lower the heat again. Back to medium. See, it's beginning to form the scrambled eggs. If you do this right, you'll have amazing scrambled eggs. Your family will love them. You know what? I'm going to add some black pepper. I can do it now or after. Maybe after. Look at that. Oh, look at that. That's the texture you want. It's ready. I can't wait to sample it. Sorry, guys. Wow. Nice and soft. Fantastic. Need some pepper. There you have it, guys. breakfast for 3. Thanks for watching. I'm hungry.
Mmm.